Are you planning a move from sunny Florida to scenic Connecticut? With different landscapes and climates, relocating to the Northeast brings a fresh start. Whether you're moving for work, family, or a change in scenery, 3 Movers has you covered. Here's what to consider for a smooth transition and why we're your best choice for the job. Moving over 1,200 miles from Florida to Connecticut is a big step. Our team at 3 Movers specializes in long-distance relocation, ensuring that every step is hassle-free. With our expertise, you'll enjoy reliable service, secure transport, and excellent customer support. Wondering how to pick the right movers? Look for licensed, trustworthy companies that prioritize transparency. The typical cost of moving a 3-bedroom house from Florida to Connecticut ranges from $3,700 to $4,100, depending on factors like shipment weight, distance, and additional services. Considering packing your own items. Packing yourself can save money, and it allows you to sort through items to decide what to keep, sell, or donate. However, professional packers are experts who handle everything efficiently and assume liability for items they pack, making it a worthwhile option if you're short on time. For an accurate estimate, schedule a walkthrough with your moving company. During this in-person assessment, a representative will catalog your belongings and provide a detailed weight estimate. This helps ensure a fair and precise quote. When you receive an estimate, you'll typically choose between binding and non-binding options. A binding estimate is a guaranteed price unless your requirements change, while a non-binding estimate may vary depending on actual weight and services. Discuss options with your mover to find what's best for your situation. Even if your move is on short notice, our team is ready to help. Last-minute relocations can be challenging, but with reliable service and transparent pricing, we make it easier. For added convenience, consider using a moving broker to compare estimates and find the best fit. Need to head back down south? Our network is nationwide, and we offer the same quality moving services in reverse, from Connecticut to Florida and beyond. We handle everything to ensure a smooth, safe journey for your belongings. Ready to make the move? Call us today at 888-202-0036 or fill out our quick online form for a free quote. Let 3 Movers take the stress out of your relocation from Florida to Connecticut. With us, you're in safe hands. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more moving tips and advice, and let's make your transition easy and stress-free.